Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover, showing today this brand new Land Rover Discovery Sport Landmark Edition finished in Hakuba silver. This petrol plug-in hybrid comes with a 1.5 P270e engine and is paired to a 12.17kWh battery. The large front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Stepping into the back of the Discovery, when measuring to the roofline, there is around 830 litres of usable boot space capacity, which is ideal for larger luggage items. There is an adjustable parcel shelf and the boot can be closed automatically from just the push of a button. Stepping into the back of the car, we can find the Ebony Perforated DuoLeather seats with the grey contrasting stitching. These seats contain ISOFIX points as well as a fold-down armrest which houses two exposed cup holders as well as a storage tray. Rear passengers can also utilise their own climate control vent, which does have two USB-C ports as well. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the Ebony interior with some highlighting contrast on the dash and the door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically operated with lumbar support. Now taking a look at the multifunctional 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel, we can find controls on the left for the virtual cockpit as well as the hands-free telephone and voice control, and on the right for the heated steering wheel and the cruise control system. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference. These include 1 and 2 dial as well as map, media and driving assistance options. Speaking of media, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access radio with FM and DAB and connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit current weather conditions, and by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left we can bring up the rear parking cameras as well as the 3D and satellite imagery. Below that is two exposed USB-C ports as well as a storage tray underneath, and behind the centre console are two exposed cup holders, and the armrest can be lifted up to reveal further storage inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this brand new Land Rover Discovery Sport Landmark Edition. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.